Oh my gosh, Mami! Wait, actually, I need to take this opportunity to thank you. Kasi, hindi ko, I'm not sure kung same to, pero sabi sa akin ni Mama na I think baka kayo ang rason kung bakit nandito ako ngayon. Kasi sa GMA Super Show, si Papa in-invite ni Kuya Germs to sing to you. To sing to you, pero for some reason that day, hindi ka available, hindi ka nakapunta. So, si Mama nandun na, I think one of the sabi niya, Jackie, upo ka lang dyan. Kakantahan ka ni Ricky. At yun na, nag-start yung
love story.
Oo, so thank you so much. No? Kasi nandito ako ngayon dahil sa'yo. Galing, diba? Nag-full circle na tayo.
We're here.
Yeah. Ang galing. Thank you po.
Bigla daw ako na black college. But anyways, love team. Are you open to that? May love team.
I guess if that's what the role or the job is for, yeah. Of course. Diba? Why not? Ako, I'm so open to trying any type of role talaga.
Eh, syempre, kaya nga, kapayat ng love team. Sino naman, who would you prefer to be your love team kung sakasakali?
Oo, yun lang, no? Again, because siguro at this point, yung mga people baka medyo na-typecast ako sa isang role, no? A type of role. I don't mind being part of a love team with a girl. I don't mind being a love team with a boy. But going back to yung advocacy ko of wanting to represent, syempre, mas prefer ko to be part of the...
Right.
So wala namang love team na dalawang babae. Dalawang lalaki, meron, pero not so much din. But kahit ano talaga.
Open to any...
Yeah, opo.
Napag-uusapan ng mga magulang, kamusta naman sila as parents?
Sobrang polar opposite.
Talaga?
Yes, sobra.
Who's the stricter?
Papa.
Ano na to, usual question with Papa?
Yeah. Oo, agad-agad, di ba?
Agad-agad, walang kahit abog-abog sa Papa.
They both have their strengths. And I think like if had they stayed together, parang perfect mix. Kasi meron kang mas strict, meron kang mas
cool,
mas cool, mas chill. So, but both of them, I consider them both my best friends talaga.
Sa isang interview namin kay Ma'am, she opened up to us na parang mas komportable daw siya makipag-usap with you. Outspoken. Ikaw daw yung mas outspoken kasi about yung relationship.
About anything,
about
actually.
anything. Panoorin natin ito, Alex.
Ay, may ganun pala. Okay. Oh, I watched this, yeah.
Did you get to watch this?
Yeah.
I thought it was just okay. Because Ricky and I were not okay na, but we were still living in the same house for a while. And we thought that at the time it was the best setup because parang we could be there together for the children. But it came to a point na it couldn't be na. One of my children, seriously named, parang she just had an outburst that day and she said, "Mom,